Hey everybody, so my house is a damn mess right now because I am in the process of packing because I'm flying to Berlin tonight to attend the IFA trade show where I'll be attending an honor launch event and interviewing people from Huawei and LG. So lots of stuff I need to review that I haven't gotten a chance to yet, but I wanted to make a quick video today to talk about these. This is the, let me sit in front. Sorry, I'm in tank top. I just went to the gym actually. So these are the XFyro XS2. So they're portable wireless earbuds. So you might be wondering what's so special about portable wireless earbuds. I mean, I have like 7 of them just lying around the house. Well, one, these are they're very slim. It's very portable. I mean, the case, if you compare it to the Zolo Liberty Plus or the Bragi Dash, it's very petite. The only thing smaller is Apple AirPods, but Apple AirPods are in a class on its own. So these are $175 on Amazon right now. They're a little bit pricey, right? $175. Well, that's because these have more functionality. These are completely waterproof. They're IP67 water resistant, so that means you can dump them in water for up to 30 minutes. So that means you can definitely take these swimming. And on top of that, the case is also a portable battery. There's an 850 milliamp hour battery inside this, so that tops up the earbuds 4 times. And each time the earbuds get me about 2.5 hours of battery life. But like I mentioned, you have an like I mentioned, you have a flap right here, an outlet port where you can plug in a USB cable and then you can charge your phone. So I've used it to top up phones such as this Vivo device I'm testing. I can't really reveal yet. I'm gonna have a video on this on September 5th, but this is the phone with a water drop notch. But anyway, I've used it to top up the Vivo phone because I don't need it for the Note 9 because Note 9 battery is pretty awesome. So it's good to have something this small that also carries 2 functionality. You have earbuds and also portable battery. So now looking at these earbuds, they're a little bit awkward shape. Look at how blocky and square it is. So and when they fit into my ear, they kind of stick out in a way that looks a little bit weird. I mean, every wireless earbuds that's worth its salt, every good one will stick out a little bit because you need to have a little bit of size to carry the Bluetooth antenna, sound drivers and all that. So you look at a Zolo Liberty, it pops out a little bit, but this one pops out, but it's kind of this blocky shape. I don't like how it looks. It also doesn't fit as comfortably as a Zolo Liberty Plus or the Bragi Dash, but they're very lightweight. And I also like the charging case. Like you just snap it back in and it's kind of magnetic. The little gold trim here, it's a little nice touch. The thing just looks a little bit nice, and again, completely waterproof, so that's really cool. So now a couple of shortcomings in terms of design. Every time you pull these out, you have to press the power button to turn them on before it will connect to your phone or computer or whatever. Other earbuds such as the Zolo Liberty Plus or the Bragi Dash, as soon as you take them out of the case, it turns on automatically and syncs automatically, especially the Zolo Liberty. These are by Anker and they're my favorite so far. As soon as I take them out of the case, put it in my ear, it's already ready to go. It's already synced with my smartphone or something. These, you have to manually press and power them on every single time. And you have to pair them both separately. So you have to turn them on, and on your smartphone, you have to tap connect to the left one and then connect to the right one. So it's just a little bit of a hassle. In terms of sound quality, they're good. Actually, no. For $175, they're not great, but they're not bad. They don't sound as good as the Zolo Liberty, definitely, but they sound better than the Bragi Dash. The Bragi Dash sound quality is a little bit hit and miss. So overall, I think I listen to a lot of hip hop, so bass is seriously lacking, but there's pretty good clear like mids and highs. So that means if you listen to acoustic music like Jack Johnson, it'll be good. And I listen to some kind of Chinese canto pop too, and I can hear the dialogue the lyrics very clear. So battery life, as I mentioned, about 2.5 hours per charge, so it's not as much as like something like a Zolo Liberty Plus, but it's still good enough for me. 2.5 hours. I very rarely have these on for more than 1 hour at a time anyway. So these are the XFyro S2. They sell for $175 on Amazon. So again, a little bit pricier because you can get this for $150 right now, and these are awesome. But these are not waterproof at all. this is waterproof. So you can wear this in the shower, you can wear this to go swimming. So if you're someone who gets wet a lot, then these might come in handy. Oh, I forgot to mention, you can make phone calls with these too. There's a mic and you can access Siri, but the button, it's very clicky, so it's just easy to access. You just have to put it in your ear and then you long press to access Siri, or when you take phone calls, the same thing, just press simple actions. So pretty, like, it works fine, and connection range is good. Not as good as the Soul Liberty again, and not as good as the Apple AirPods, definitely, but a lot better than the Braggy Dash. So my apartment, it's not that big. It's a Hong Kong apartment, so small, 350 square feet. I can put this basically anywhere in my apartment and I'll be able to get full connection. But again, 350 square feet is really small. If you live in like Texas, that's like the size of your bathroom. Anyway, I'm about to fly to Berlin, so I gotta go. Thanks for watching.